Hey everybody, welcome to another one of our projects. This is a beautiful project completed for the plaza in Coral Gables. As you probably know, green walls have become extremely popular. Moss walls, natural spaces have become signature and a staple in multi-million-dollar projects like this. And so what we want to tell you is that if you are investing in your home, if you're investing in a property, commercial or residential, please think about green walls as a way of just beautifying the space, getting the best value out of the space. By using green walls, you're going to improve the quality of the space, but also the value of the space. And this is really what I want to get at. Homes, businesses that build green walls usually appraise 10 to 15% in higher in value than businesses that don't. Check us out. We are located in Coral Gables, 1132 South Dixie Highway. We are welcoming everybody who wants to learn more about green walls. We install them and we also sell them there at the store. So please welcome and stop by. Okay, thank you.